In this video, I want to go over the CPA marketing meaning. What is the meaning of CPA marketing? Show you soup to nuts quickly in a short video, a CPA marketing campaign, how to choose the campaign, the quick ads, the landing page and the results. And okay, the results is what we're really talking about here. Can I make money with CPA marketing and what the deal is? Okay, so we're going to start off. You can use any, So you can use any affiliate network out there. In this video, in most videos you see, you're gonna see Max Bounty, right? Max Bounty is you got to do a phone interview to get approved for Max Bounty, but you can get approved pretty easy. Okay, so you come to Max Bounty, you find an offer. Now I found an offer. We went through this with other videos. I got this one running. We're going to show you the results and what you can do and how to do it, right? So Starbucks, get a year's worth of Starbucks was the offer. Okay, if you go down here, you're going to see that it's $260 per lead, and it's allowed mobile traffic, search traffic, social traffic, all the goods. I'm approved. My status is I'm approved to run this offer. Okay, the campaign does not have a daily cap, so I can send as much traffic as I want. I can send 100 leads. I can send 200 leads, whenever I want. United States traffic. Okay, it's mobile optimized. You always got to have mobile optimized because that's where the traffic's coming from now, is from the cell phones. Okay, if you want to look at the default landing page, but that's just this up here. Okay, so now you got your offer. Okay, you make a landing page. Okay, so you make a landing page because you can't just before we go to get a landing page, you need a link. So you come over here and you're going to build a tracking link, right? And it's going to ask you what kind of link you want. We're going to do a social link, and we're going to do a raw link. Okay, and it's going to give us this link up here, and that's our link. Okay, that's our affiliate link, CPA link, our affiliate link, and that's where we're going to make our money. They're going to click on this link. It's going to bring them to this landing page, right? And we're going to get paid the $2.60. Okay, so that's the plan. Now you got your link. Now you're going to build a landing page. So you go and build a landing page. Again, you need software for the landing page. Okay, you need software for landing page, for email marketing, for all kinds of chatbots, apps, social proof. There's all different things. But right now we need it for landing page. Okay, so we're going to build a landing page. Build a landing page. This is the landing page that I built. Okay, find out if you qualify. Get it now. Simple, one action. They want to know what the offer is. Find out if you qualify. Get it now. Okay. So that's the offer. This is the back office of it. Okay, so you find out if you qualify, get it now. Goes right to the offer. Goes right to the landing page. So they click here. It goes right to the landing page. Now I could also have a pop up here, or I could have a instead of a button here, I could have an email submit. They would put their email in, submit. It would go to the CPA offer, and I would have their email address as well. But that's not what I'm doing here because I'm not collecting email addresses. But you very well can collect email address, and I recommend you do, depending on the offer. Okay, so now you've got your offer, you've got your link, you've got your landing page. Okay, now of course on your landing page there's all kinds of things that you get it approved. You have to have all these other landing pages, all these other pages on your web page to get approved. You can't give any false advertising, can't make any promises, all kinds of stuff to get approved. Now you're going to go to Facebook, you're going to create ads, okay? So you're going to create ads. I'm not going to go to Canva, or I use PhotoJet. You're not going to go and search for photos and stuff like that, but you need to find images, good quality images. You need to figure out what your headline's going to be for your ad. You need to figure out what your text is going to be for your ad. And you're going to run ads, okay? So we ran ads on Facebook Ad Manager, okay? And so I ran these 3 ads on stories, okay? Now, 959, these were $5 a day ads, 959 impressions. And our impression, according to them, is the number of times my ad was seen. Reach, 950, number of people who saw the ad at least once. Okay, so 950 people saw the ad, 45 link clicks. Now the results, the number of times your ad achieved an outcome. So 45 times they went to the landing page and clicked the landing page button and went through. And so let's see what it is now. We know what it is. So we had 45 times, we said that we would make $2.60 a lead. Okay. And so that's 117. So $117 on a $5 ad. Okay. That's not too bad. Okay. And so now that I know that this ad here converts, I can up the instead of making it $5, I can up my budget to whatever my budget is, 50, 100,000, whatever it is. Okay. So let me just show you the ad. Okay, so that's the ad over here. Starbucks for a year. It was a stories ad, so it had the swipe up on it. They swiped it up and it went to the website. And it already warms them up with answer a few questions to be entered to receive a year's worth of Starbucks, right? So the headline was get Starbucks every day for a year. Okay, that's the ad. The primary text, answer a few questions. Do not miss any future promotions, okay? So basically, I just went over how to get an offer. Go to Max Bounty, find an offer. Okay. I didn't really go over how to search an offer, but you find one you like and you search. We picked Starbucks because I figured everybody likes Starbucks, right? So it's United States offer, so we searched the United States traffic. So we built a landing page. Okay, I didn't say it before, but we used Builderall to build the landing page. Builderall. There'll be a link for a 7-day free trial for Builderall in the description. Okay, so we built a landing page with Builderall. We attached our affiliate link to the landing page that's going to directly go to the offer. Okay, where we're going to convert, make $2.60 a lead, and we went over the ads, showed you the copy, showed you the headline, showed you the body, showed you the copy. Okay, I showed you there was 3 ads. I ran the 3 of them for 3 days. One of them did really well, the other 2 didn't. So you stop the 2 that didn't, you run the one that did, and you go from $5 a day to 50, 100, 200, 300,000, whatever your budget is. Okay, and you flood that. So at $5 a day, I made 117. Okay, so really I made 112, right? So you make 112 in a day. It's pretty good ROI. And so if you put $1,000 onto that ad and you times it by that ROI, how much are you making? You're making a shit ton of money, right? And that's just on the one ad, okay? One offer, one ad, Starbucks. Okay, now that you've got that running and you've got it optimized, you've got a winning ad, and you can run through it, everything, and you can run on its own. You just keep doing the ad every day, and it's going to convert. Now you go look for another offer, okay? And then you get however many of these going at a time, all right? And then let's say they last 3 months, 6 months, a year, and then they don't last, okay? But you're always building new ones. Always have multiple streams of income from the work from home hustle, right? So you got to have the multiple streams of income. So set up more than one of these, and you just keep testing them, okay? Pretty simple stuff. Like and subscribe to the channel, join Builderall, 7-day free trial. You get all the free training. Everything you need to know. CPA marketing is the easiest way to make money online, the easiest way to make affiliate marketing money, okay? And, watch my videos. You're going to learn how to do it, okay? It's pretty simple stuff.